Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to get inside the remote key fob on a Mazda Cx-5. This is a 2022, but this applies to so many other Mazdas, okay? So if you have this remote. What we're going to do is remove both covers, the front and the back cover, okay? So we're going to start with the front cover here. And there's a button right here on the bottom of the remote that we're going to slide down. And what that does is that unlocks the cover that doesn't have the emblem, okay? So get your fingernail in there if you can, and try to grab the corner of the remote, okay? I'm struggling a little bit because I'm trying to keep my remote in frame of the camera, okay? But all of this does is unlock this cover here, okay? The one without the emblem. You can see that there's a key in here. This is your emergency key for your driver's door, if you didn't know. And on the back cover here, there's a little diagram here that shows you how to put this back on correctly, okay? It shows you the key, actually. So it goes like this, back on here. All right, now that you have that off, you have this chrome cover on the top. You can go ahead and pull this off. It just pops right off, okay? Notice how it has like 2 feet right here that go in these 2 slots. So once we do that, it exposes the slot right here. It allows you to pry the back cover off, or the cover with the emblem off. Let's use a flathead screwdriver, stick it in here, just pop it up. You hear it crack and pop and everything like that. And here we go. Another cover here, and if you actually look, this is the size for the battery, okay? Go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver and stick it in this part here, pop it up, and then we're going to slide this cover off. All right, and here's our battery. There's another slot right here, perfect for a screwdriver this size. And stick it in here like this and just pull the battery right out. The remote kind of fell apart on me there, so just be really careful with your remote once you start taking it apart. All right, show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing towards us. Goes in the bottom of the remote first, and then it just locks in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link there. It takes you to Amazon. You can pick up a battery pretty quick for like $2. So then you just get your cover, stick it back on here, lock it on. You hear it like click and lock and everything like that. Back cover with the emblem has this foot hanging out right here. There's a hole right here. You can only put this on one way. Stick it on here, line it up. All right, you hear it crack and pop. Go back, right back on. All right, you're gonna get the chrome emblem or chrome top. Only goes on one way. Stick it back on here now. Just line everything up. Push it on there like that. And then you get your other cover here, and again, it has a little diagram right here, the key. This just goes right on here. Click pop. Good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you leave me a comment, drop me a like. Hope to see you in another video.